Hey guys, this was unboxing video. So this is heater for the baby bottle, or we call it foot warmer. Easy to use, temperature control. Okay. So multi-purpose, you can warm the milk, heating of food, juices, sterilize function. Okay, this is utilized the Japanese F1 PTC. I'm not sure true or not. Okay, it's called True Love baby bottle. Okay, what inside the box? One warmer, one lid, one juicer, one measuring cup, and food cup. Okay. This was the power 80-watt related. So this is also important to read it. So True Love. Okay. So no have distributor or what. I think this is from China. Okay, I think so. You don't have brand actually. No have distributor brand. So we just a product. I can see the user manual. I know this is you can see it manual like this from China. Okay, it's a very simple, because China is famous doing a simple user manual. Sometimes it's too simple until the user manual is sometimes become useless. You can see the font and the text not in the proper way, proper font. Okay, so you can see this is the whole machine. Okay, so they never try to improve those user manual, just simply like blah 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 blah. Okay, and this is a warning: do not place a warmer near the hot gas or electric burner. Let's get it explode. So milk warmer. Okay, so leave it. You can see the packaging is not very nice also. Okay, this was the lid. Juice to press orange juice. Okay, so inside have a cup. Have a small cup as well. You can see inside this is a normal warmer. You put a thing, so below the actual steel for you to heat. So this was a 3-pin plug. Okay, one thing they not have a Sirima from Malaysia. I think this is direct buy from China. So this can warm 100 degrees Celsius, but normally people just buy it to warm the milk. You just adjust it and see. Okay, let me adjust for milk, but it's okay for the milk. Don't try to 100 Celsius. I scared the plastic cannot withstand. Okay, just get it lah. Some plastic can withstand, but because they don't have a standard manufacturing, I mean the material can no withstand. When they melt, they can become a toxic poison gas. So inside they have called distribute like Hermes, Cares, and number. Just state a sticker. That's all. Okay. Okay. So basically how you're going to use is very simple. You just put this cup, okay, and you just put the bottle inside, then you can warm it already. Okay, it's called baby bottle. Normally they recommend use for the baby bottle warmer. So okay, need to put water or not? Don't need to put water. If you feel This not good enough, you can put little bit water. Okay, you can see the plastic is give you the plastic cup is quite thick. Okay, quite thick, quite rigid. Okay, but okay, this was the this the juicer. I mean, you can put on top here. Not here, it's here. Okay, you put on top here. Then you take an orange juice, just squeeze it. Okay, squeeze orange juice. This is useless. This is a small cup. Maybe you can keep it inside. There you go. Put some water. Put some water. Okay. So that's all for this. It's practically good for the meal warmer. Okay. It's recommended to buy this. Any size you can put in. So you can direct put here, or you normally we recommend you put here, only put here on the bottom. So that's all for this video unboxing. If you like this video, please give us a like and please subscribe to Amshot channel. And thanks for watching and goodbye. Goodbye.